Hello there! How are you? I hope you are doing well. Today's video is going to be a haul video for KILLSTAR. Some of these items were sent to me, some I bought myself, so it's just kind of a mixed bag of a whole bunch of things. Yeah. I have a couple of clothing items, some accessories, and also some Homewares stuff that I'm going to talk about as well and give mini reviews of in this particular video. But before I get into that, I wanted to mention that this video is proudly sponsored by ShopTagger, and I have talked about ShopTagger a lot. So ShopTagger is a completely free app in which you can save items of interest. So as you can see, there's whole bunch of clothing items, and it sends alerts to your phone and also your computer if you download the ShopTagger button onto your computer as well, and you get notifications of when the particular item goes on to sale or back in stock, all of that stuff. So it is really good for helping you to save money on the items that you want, and it sends alerts for them from the moment it goes on sale or that particular website is having a sale. You can also save items into these lists, so I've got two particular lists: casual clothes and shoes, and as you can see, the notification thingo, but you also get notifications onto your phone, and there's a new feature that has coupons from across the websites that you visit, which is really cool. And the coupons are automatically added when you have the ShopTagger app on your computer. So I have also recently discovered that you can use this website for websites like KILLSTAR. I previously used it mainly for ASOS and Dolls Kill, but now I can use it for KILLSTAR and even more websites, so it's really good for that as well. All the links for ShopTagger will be down below. It is very easy to use. You can get it on iOS, Android, and also Safari and Google Chrome and all of that stuff, and once you install it, you just add your items to it, and it's done. Very easy, completely free, all of that stuff. It's really good. So let's get back to the haul. I'm gonna get the Homewares items out of the way first. I got a couple. So the first item is this Zodiac cup and saucer set. It doesn't have a print on the outside of the teacup itself. It's all on the inside, and it's the Zodiac. And then the plate itself contains the different seasons like Yule, Samhain, and Beltane and all of that stuff. It's really, really nice. I'm very careful with these because I don't want to break them, for one, but also it feels like it's a porcelain printing on the plate anyway. On the cup itself, it feels like it's kind of in the actual porcelain itself, and yeah, so I'm really careful when washing these. I hand wash them, but they are pretty. One complaint I do have is that I wish there was like a matching print to the outside of the cup as well, but yeah, that's a very, very small complaint. It's pretty anyway, so that's that. The second item, I bought this one myself as well, is this. It is the Coffin carry case, and it's a lot bigger than I expected. I actually got this not a decent amount of time ago. I got it like a month and a half, maybe 2 months ago. Yeah, it's really, really good. And I've already used it for a particular weekend. About a month ago, my current love interest took me to the Hotel Versace, and we spent the weekend there. It was really nice, really nice. And that case was enough for the whole entire weekend, plus more, because, you know, I'm a bit extra. I brought extra shoes and extra makeup and all that stuff, so it fit everything. It was really good for that stuff, and I'm going to be using that when I go traveling again soon, so yeah. My only complaint that I have with it is that I wish the handle, when it's fully extended, which I don't really need because I'm super short, when it's fully extended, it doesn't feel as durable as my old American Tourister bag, but you know, that one fell apart a long time ago. the handle lasted, the bag didn't. This one, if I fully extend the handle, it just doesn't feel as sturdy, but luckily I am on the shorter side, so I don't need to fully extend it. I have it at half constantly. So yeah, I really, really like that. I know a lot of people were complaining about how it seems to have a reverse open. I don't see a problem in that, honestly. I mean, I'm from the land down under, so everything's reversed here. Not really, not really. I know a lot of TV shows depict that, but that's not actually how it is, just in case you didn't know. Yeah. I also got another bag, and this is the 6 something bag. I can't remember what it's called, but it is another backpack. I need to stop getting backpacks because I don't know, I've got too many of them, but I do love them and I use them a lot. And I love how it's so small, yet it fits a decent amount of stuff in it. I wore this to the Born of Osiris concert and it was perfect for that. When I'm at concerts and I wear a backpack, I always put them on the front like that, you know, don't touch my stuff kind of thing. I get really worried about that. So it features a hexagram zip detailing that is actually very heavy. I did notice that when I do bring this out, especially for extended periods of time and a lot of walking, the zip detailing does weigh down the zip a little bit and it starts to open a little bit. And same with the sides here. These are detachable chains, so you can take them off and put them on jeans or something like that. Why haven't I done that? I'm just thinking of ideas right now. But yeah, you can detach those because it does weigh down on the side parts as well. I don't put anything in the side parts just because I did notice that these come down really quickly. But yeah, it's a very nice backpack. Very small, very simple, but it has amazing detailing. I like it. I also have the matching crop to this, which I'll show you right now. So the crop top looks like this, and it also has that detailing. The zip does not come down on this as easy as the bag, which is great because it is a zip through top. So if the zip came undone, out come the girls and they're gonna, you know, have a jolly old time being out in the breeze if you don't wear a bra. I mean, I have to wear a bra because I got titties that gravity has kind of taken a toll on. But it is a very nice crop, and it is made of, you know, that KILLSTAR cotton that I always talk about, how it's very soft and it's stretchy and all of that stuff. It's made of that. It is a little bit thicker than a lot of their more recent shirts, because I have noticed that particularly the slouch fits and all of that, they're made of a much thinner material, which is great for summer, but yeah, they just have a tiny bit of sheerness to it. This does not have that, and I really like that. Yeah, went with a size small, as I do with all my tops because of this situation. Could have gone an extra small actually because of the stretch. I wasn't 100% sure if it had stretch to it, so that's why I went with a small instead. Happy I went with a small, and yeah, really, really like that. That will be great for summer. I have worn it actually quite recently, but I think it would be better for summer. It is currently winter here, so I had to layer the absolute shit out of it, but nonetheless, my outfit looked really good. So next up is another purchase I made, and these are the Bloodlust trousers. I got these because I love the damask print all over them. They are velvet. They don't have much stretch to them at all. Maybe a little bit, but not that much. I also wanted to talk about sizing with these. Now, I tried on the small and the medium. They are the same. They are literally the same, and there's not much stretch in these. The small were a tiny bit more form-fitting on the legs, but the waist on the medium and the small were exactly the same. And there's like bugger all stretch to them, so I don't get the sizing of that, but nonetheless, they are beautiful. I love how incredibly high-waisted they are. I love super high-waisted stuff, and because it covers my belly situation. My belly button is ruined because of pregnancy and weight loss. So I have a lot of excess skin on my stomach that I just don't like anybody to see. So these cover up that whole situation, which is why you will never catch me showing my midriff. Yeah. Not until I get it surgically fixed. And I know that's not a solution, you know, you gotta love your body and all that stuff, but surgery is the option I want. Respect that. Before I get on to the shoes that I got, I also got this dress. You're probably not gonna see much of it. I love this dress. I love the velvet dresses. This looks almost identical to a long sleeve version that I got a couple years ago, maybe last year or the year before, but I do love the simplistic detailing of the front, and yeah, just everything about it. It's cute, and how it has the puffer sleeves and all of that stuff. This is adorable. I've worn it multiple times. I did also get another dress, but I ended up giving that to my best friend because it looked so much better on her. Like, it was beautiful. I loved the dress, but because I have a large chest situation, it didn't look right on me, and it looked so much better on her. So I was just like, you have it. It looks like it was made for you. So I'll see if she can send me a photo to put it in here to show you which dress it was, because it looks absolutely bomb on her. Like, oh god, she's already beautiful, absolutely beautiful, one of the most beautiful people on this planet inside and out, and that dress just complements her perfectly. So yeah, I let her have it, and yeah, it's got a good home and it looks absolutely amazing on her. So yeah, and I'm very happy with this dress. Like, they look very similar in a lot of different aspects, you know, the mix of velvet and lace, but yeah. So, the final item is shoes. What else would they be? I am a shoe hoarder. So, I got these. They are amazing. I have worn them so many times because they are incredibly comfortable. I will be doing a full shoe review on these because they do have actually a couple of different styles of these. These are the shiny PVC version of them, but they also have a smooth vegan leather and I think something else as well, I'm not sure. But yeah, I love the simplistic moon detailing on the front. I love how it has that like industrial feel to it, but also has a very feminine touch to it. So it's like femdustrial. Femdustrial is now a thing. So I think that is all for this haul, and I am Dr. Zeus. I sound like Dr. Zeus. I forgot one thing. So these are a pair of stay-ups, and they are made of a very, very beautiful lace. You'll see in the try-ons actually. And they have these little bow ribbons that have a cross detailing in the center. I do like these, but they don't stay up properly. One of my other pairs of stay-ups, I think it's from the brand Pamela Man or something like that. They have like a band on the inside that's made of that silicone material. Those ones stay up quite well. These ones don't really do that, so it's really good for, you know, still moments. But they do kind of slide down a little bit as, you know, the day or night or whatever progresses. So that does get a little bit on the annoying side, but you know, it's okay. It's okay, because they look really good, and I will probably put my own silicone band on the inside eventually when I get around to it. Actually, I will write that down now. And I think that is all. I don't think I've forgotten anything. Yeah. So I hope you enjoyed this video and all of that stuff. I do have a couple of hauls coming because I am a little bit on the behind side for that, but hey, I'm catching up, I'm getting stuff done, cool. And as always, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, because I would love to be here for every single video. Also, don't forget to, you know, knock that notification bell, wherever it is, notification bell button, so you get notified exactly when I upload, because there will be more. I am finally getting back into a routine of all kinds of stuff, and it's feeling quite nice. Like this video if you like haul videos, comment down below if there's something you would like to see on this channel, and I hope you all have an amazing, wonderful, fantabulous day. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.